Alright, good morning. Arielo,
Ready to rock and roll?
my assistant. Ready to rock and roll. We are about to varnish. So, as you can see, we have already mixed the varnish. We're using Awlbright this time. So the equipment we use is right here. I'll show it to you. That. This is for the small trims, like this. Fits right there. This is it, pancit. So, and then I have this roller here, and I have the bigger brush, which is fits right there. It's gonna be nice. So we're gonna take it easy, no stress. So once we're done with all this time we're using synthetic brushes, but after we use this, we're gonna throw it all away. Do the trim, so you can do them properly, nicely like that. No stress, because you don't have to varnish the whole piece, so you don't have to. Yeah. Alright guys, I've varnished this before, like at once, including the trims and the whole thing. I've done it before, but it's quite stressful. So I've learned from my experience. That's why if you have time and if you have the resources, you got the budget, it's better to do it in sections and in pieces and trims. It costs quite a lot because you're gonna use a lot of tape instead of just taping once. But it's all worth it, based on my experience. Okay, it's done. All the trims, so we're gonna let it cure for a day or two, and then we'll take the tape off and then we'll slap it on the other side. Alright, we're taking the tape off. So sometime this afternoon, before the end of the day, we're gonna tape this side now, and then we're gonna varnish the rest. So we're gonna put the tape on the varnished edges, and then we'll do all that. Good morning, Persilito. Perfect weather for varnishing, no?
Good morning, guys.
We don't have any, so it's weekend, so we don't have any crew walking around here. So we're gonna varnish the bigger section of the project. This is the big part, and then what you see Persil doing here, he's actually putting some water on all the area here. So whatever pollen, because there's already the pollen has arrived. So whatever pollen we have on the deck or in anywhere, they don't have chance to dry up and fly away before our varnish has a chance to cure. So we try to maximize our chance of having a good coat of varnish here. So we're not gonna squeegee or chamois the water, we're gonna let it sit. So it's a magnet for all type of dust and pollen. So
Ipipins nga.
alright, so varnishing is done. So Persil is tidying up now, and then we call it a day. We're gonna take advantage of a beautiful day. Alright, we're ready to varnish the big piece. But nice weather. But the only annoying thing is the pollen is actually here. So that's the reason why we have this plastic. Plus, no matter how you put plastic around it, somehow the pollen find its way inside. Just crazy, but I'm sure a lot of you varnisher can relate, but Percel is trying to isolate everything inside. Ting, are you ready to varnish?
Tatry na lang.
Okay. Alright. This is the inside, the plastic. Try to get myself clean as I can. Actually took my jacket off and blow some compressed air on my shirt, because I'm sure I've been bringing some pollen inside. You know, just try to minimize the pollen, because it's gonna look shit after all the preparation, you know. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we are taking advantage of the good weather, so we decided to
varnish this flat area as well, because
it's quite dusty. So this time we're gonna put a nice fresh coat, and then we will see what it looks like. It's quite strong in here because it's no extraction. Hopefully you can understand what I'm talking about. Anyway.
good morning. We'll have a look what we got. This is the I punch a hole in now. Let's have a look. Looks pretty good. We will reveal the whole thing this morning, and we'll see. But looks pretty good to me. Ooh. Ooh. Better than spray. Let's have a look up here. This is the bigger surface. Well, how it looks.
You know kayo?
Look good.
Oo
Yung mo naman yung pansuhan eh.
Ipalit ko.
Alright, let's have a look. Let's get closer. Gisi ako no. Nay, kutsilyo da. Siya kaya itong. Let's show it to the world and what it look like. Let's go inside. Wow, looks pretty decent. What do you think? You think it's can pass the quality control? That's it. No sags. No sags. Little specks of pollen, but it's not so bad. That can be knocked off with polish. We're gonna let the thing cure first, but I'm not gonna touch it. Oh, it's so good. Once we take off the whole plastic covering. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. And then we're gonna take the tape off and the plastic. Good morning, Persilito. We are reviewing the. Yeah, we're gonna take the plastic off on everything. And then we're gonna put the hardware back. What do you think? We put the hardware back today? Alright, now that the masking tape and all the masking paper is gone, and then we installed all the hardwares and then the table on its side, overall the whole thing looks very, very good, except for few specks of pollen dust here and there, and one very noticeable sag down one of the panels down below. But overall, considering how big this project is, I'm very happy, you know. But like what I said before, you know, there's no such thing as a perfect project or job, varnishing or whatever you do. There's always wrong with it if you actually look for the problem. But yeah, anyway, and then I'm not gonna stress out about that sag. I'm not gonna redo it because you don't actually see it if you don't actually look for it, like what I said. But I'm not gonna redo it because of the pollen season is actually here. It's very heavy now, and I've done it before. I actually make it worse, so I'm gonna live with it for now until the pollen season disappears, and then we're gonna do a number on it. But like what I said, regardless, the overall outcome is very, very good, and I'm happy with it, you know. So anyway, if this video actually helped you in any shape or form, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't actually subscribed yet, give me a subscribe and help this channel grow a little bit more. And as always, thank you for watching. Until my next video, bye for now.